This dance is called Real Men Cry. 32 count, 4 waltz. There's no tap and no restart for this dance. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot, step back on right, touch left to right. Step back, touch left next to right with a finger click. Repeat for the left foot, step left back, touch right next to left with a finger click. Rock back, recover, walk. You prepare a quarter turn to your left as you cross left over right. So section 1 again. Back, click, rock, recover, walk, cross. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, do a side shuffle. Side together, side, step left next to right and cross right over left. Make a quarter to your right, stepping your left back. Step right to the side. Cross left over right with a sweep. Section 2 again. Side shuffle to the right, side together, side. Step left next to right with a cross over left. Make a quarter to your right, stepping left back a quarter. Step right to the side. Cross left over right with a sweep. So section 2 with a count. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, do a whip to your left. In front, side, behind, side. Rock, recover, a quarter shuffle to your right. Side together, quarter turn to your right. Section 3 again. Do a whip to your left. In front, side, behind, side. Rock, recover, side together, quarter. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section, make a pivot half turn to your right. Stepping left forward, make a half turn. Do a turning cha-cha. Turning together, turn. Rock, recover. Forward, recover. So last section again, make a pivot half turn to your right. Step and turn cha-cha. Side together, quarter. This is a reverse rocking chair. Rock, recover, forward, recover. So with the count, last section. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me show you the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4.